So we've just been really super duper positive with him. What do you got? So good. No negativity at all. I didn't yell at him when he dropped that pigeon a little bit earlier. Just all positive reinforcement. I don't actually have the collar on him right now. So we're just trying to make it fun and happy. You want to do one more? Sure. Good. There's our boy. Thank you. And you know, if he drops it a few feet away, I'm just letting him come back over by me and just petting him and then telling him, shark. Come on, bud, let's go. There we go. There we go. Come here, buddy. Oh, hi. Shark. Good. Oh, good. Right here. Right here. So nice. Oh, bonked you with my gun. Sorry. Come here. Sharky, sharky. Come here, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. All right. Here. We're not done yet. Right here. Good. Okay, all done.